Ray. What do you want to do tonight?
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
5 must-have natural medicines for a total healthy body. Here is my disclaimer. I am not a doctor or a healthcare professional. It is completely illegal for me to say that any of these herbs will help cure you of any diseases or illnesses. I will let you be the judge of that. I will only give you the facts and examples that I have studied throughout the years. For some of you, this may be the most important video you'll ever watch. Share this with your loved ones that need it the most. If it's one thing I've learned, it's that health is wealth. You can be super successful and have all the money in the world, but if you aren't healthy enough to enjoy it, it is worthless. It is always easier to manifest the things you want when your body is healthy. I'm going to give you a list of natural herbs and medicines that's going to change your life forever. Each of these items can be purchased in a link in the description. Also, each of these items are exactly what I use on a regular basis. To be honest with you, since using them, I haven't had so much as a cold or a runny nose. And if I do, it doesn't even last a day. I must add that these supplements do not replace exercise. An active body is a healthy body. A body in motion stays in motion. And if you are holding negative thoughts, negative beliefs, anger, resentment, hatred, those energies have no choice but to eventually manifest as diseases and illnesses in the body. It is time to forgive. Healthy thoughts mixed with healthy foods equals a healthy, strong body. Here are the 5 herbs and medicines. 1. Sea moss. Sea moss, which is also known as Irish moss. This natural occurring substance is one of the most powerful in nature. It offers 92 of the 102 minerals of which the body is made. It is good for bones, your brain, muscles, thyroid glands, bad breath, respiratory illnesses, and it even dissolves fat. I take 2 tablets a day, 1 in the morning and 1 right before I go to bed. 2. Essiac tea. In the 1920s and 30s, Rene Cassie discovered that when you put certain herbal natural ingredients together, they do miraculous things. Essiac tea eliminates toxins, protects organs, purifies blood, and boosts the immune system. I use it in pill form and it works wonders. Now, certain authorities even tried to ban Essiac tea, which makes it actually famous for one thing. But I can't discuss that here. You'll have to do your own research to find out. I highly recommend you take this to boost your immune system. 3. Elderberry. Elderberry was recommended by the great Dr. Sebi. There are tons of health benefits from elderberry, such as weight loss, eliminates constipation, promotes bone health, eliminates colds and flu. reduces blood pressure, boosts immune system, and so much more. And if I might add, the gummies are delicious. 4. Black seed oil. Black seed oil is known as the most powerful oil in the world. Some call it the anti-king because it is an anti-tumor, antibacterial, anti-ulcer, anti-inflammatory medicine. It even helps with opioid addiction and withdrawals. And last but not least, 5. Baking soda. Yes, baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is probably the most powerful, naturally alkalining substances on Earth. Once ingested in the body, it buffers acids and helps raise the pH. I train MMA, which is also known as mixed martial arts. And after taking a couple of tablets before I work out, I find that my stamina improves by 70%. That's because baking soda affects the pH of cells and tissues. It also balances cell voltage and increases CO2, all of which helps provide the body with oxygen. Baking soda has been a hidden method for curing and preventing certain diseases. But again, I cannot talk about that here. You'll have to do your own research. For me, I take sodium bicarbonate in tablet form, and I take about 6 or 7 a day. Yes, a day. These are the 5 kings of the herbal world. I take all 5 of these natural substances, and I can attest to their healing properties. You can find a link to purchase all 5 in the description below. Again, do your own research and share this wonderful knowledge with your family and friends. And remember, health is the ultimate form of wealth. This is Justin from YouAreCreators, and we support your dreams.